I don't think Newhaven tag him because he's such his unexpected closure.
Hangman, we might do a hangman. Oh, thank God. Oh my gosh, guys, I just realised, look.
What? Don't know.
Zedo.
I saw it.
It's from there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's from there, the Zedo barrier.
Got 30, I think.
Quoted this. Look, Zedo, look.
It's like the head code for a train or something, like onesie. Like,
Look. Should I put it back?
Yeah, look.
Harvey, look.
Oh, wow.
Dan, look at this.
Put it back.
Dan,
Yeah, I'll
Dan, from this
Or
angle.
should I take it?
take it. Take it.
Can I have it?
Or
Be
should
my
I take
first
it?
train spot like thing.
Oh, what? I'm washing it now.
Oh, what are you on? Dan, look at this angle. Look how
Daniel, boss is over there. Huh?
Whatever.
Show me it. Show it in the camera.
Should I put it back?
Nah.
Dan, you not record it?
Yeah.
Oh. You actually should check it there.
I was only leaning there. It's only there.
As it falls.
It won't fall.
We're going to be using the self
I just realised that this is just falling off.
In fact, I saw it earlier and I thought, what the hell is it? I asked what the hell it was, but...
Yeah, that one says wire, that one says, this one's like that, Zedo
My
barrier.
mum said I wouldn't be able to use a selfie stick.
Huh?
Should I put it back or should I leave it? Should I take it?
Take it.
I'm gonna put it back. Alright, putting the Zedo thing back.
I've no idea what's coming. Issues, I think I can do something. Huh?
Actually, I'll put it back on the barrier first. I can't be bothered.
I cannot believe you put your phone there. You're so cheeky.
It's fine. It's literally fine. I don't get it.
Do you want to hold my
Yes.
camera then?
They are 3 to 17 to
3
Seaford.
17 to Seaford. Hopefully the barrier won't bloody hit it.
And...
And
Should be going up.
up they go.
Staying. I go.
Thank God for the pretty eyes.
Guys,